What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at this right here. It's the STARTRC Foldable Extended Landing Gear for DJI Mini 2 and Mavic Mini. Right there it is. Now, I used to have a set of these. They weren't foldable. They were static. You know, they were just one piece. I gave them to Ron Brown. I don't know if he ever even used them or not. He might have over there at the beach, but I got another pair because these are so ultra light, and I'm going to show you that these won't even trip the Mini 2 over the 250, because the Mini 2 actually weighs less than the Mini, and even with these on there, it still is under the 250. So I'm going to show you this, and we're going to go out and check it out to see if it alters the flight characteristics any. You know, we'll just fly it around a little bit in the parking lot, check it out. All right, here you go, right here. There it is. Open the package. There's the instruction paper, and there those are. Pop them open like that. Snap them on here. This has to go on there like that. Open them up all the way. Yeah. Okay. So it's on there. It's a little bit on the wobbly side, but it's not nothing major, right? Okay, so this is the Mini 2, of course, because that's the one we want to demonstrate. And I'll see how you can see the... Let me see if I can get that any closer, but I cannot. So it says 247.9 grams with the landing gear. So even with the landing gear, you're in the clear. I'll see if I can zoom that in there when I edit the video. But anyway, so yeah, 247.9, and the gimbal cover's off, and the memory card is in there. So actually the memory card is not in there, so that would probably take it up one more. So it'd be 248. I don't know what I'd do with the memory card. I was editing a video. Okay, I popped the memory card in there, and it's 248.3. So that's the new weight on it. All right, so let's just go out and fly it and see what that does to the characteristics of it. So it looks okay. It's a little bit windy. It's getting ready to storm, to be honest with you. All right, guys, we're just out here with the Mini to see how that, how these little legs affect the performance. Probably won't, but we're just gonna fly it around for a minute just to see if it does anything, you know. I mean, I don't know if it will or not, but I don't think the last ones did, to be honest with you. I don't believe they did. I think we could take off from this bike seat unless I hit that poison ivy up there, and if I do, oh well, it's my fault, right? So it looks okay. It's a little bit windy. It's getting ready to storm, to be honest with you. It don't look too bad. Well, it's pretty windy up there. I can feel it. I can hear the drone. Yeah, I'm 100 feet up now, and I can hear the drone, you know, dancing around up there. There's Laurel Village's pool. It's open for business. Yeah, it seems to be fine. I don't think that's going to be an issue, these things. So yeah, no big deal. They're not going to affect it. Even with the wind going up there big time, it really wasn't affecting it that much. So yeah, down here the wind is a little gusty, but up there 100 feet up, you know, it's a lot worse. I'm telling you, the Mini 2 is a monster, man. I mean, this thing's a beast. Yep, don't see any performance issue with the Mini here. Not with those legs on. It doesn't seem to affect it at all. They don't weigh nothing anyway, okay? So, you know. All right, so that's that, right? All right, let me cut the video. All right. Now we'll land with the landing gear in the gravel, okay? You know, it's like, just land, god dang it, okay? Oh, landing's unsuited and all this other BS. Unsuited for what? Just land. I told you to land twice and it just, unsuitable for what? Ugh, damn computers. Those damn computers. All right, guys, there you go. Have a nice day.